Get out of the house every day. Breathe fresh air. Take a few steps. Sun out. Put on sunscreen. You don't want to look like a raisin at 40. Sleep at least 7 hours. Try to keep a consistent schedule. Stop drinking caffeine at night and get a decent mattress. Stop staring at screens all day, especially before bed and right after waking up. Lift weights at least 3 times a week. Eat more vegetables, more protein, cut salt and sugar, and ditch ultra-processed foods. If you can't pronounce it, don't eat it. Stop eating lunch at your desk. Brush your teeth twice a day. Go to the dentist. Most people are average. Want to be badass? Dedicate your life to what you want to be amazing at. Progress, perfection. Find your passion. If you're lucky, it'll become a career, and you'll enjoy what you do. If not, pick a good boss over a fancy title. Focus. Do deep work every day. Stop juggling a million things at once. Learn about yourself. Keep some funny facts for breaking the ice. Social media? Don't believe everything. Limit the news. Most of it is just reality TV in disguise. Travel at least once a year. Listen to music every day. A good song changes your mood faster than any pill. Keep a journal. Look at who you were and who you're becoming. Feel proud, embarrassed, or both. Embrace discomfort. Control what you can. Ignore the rest. Most of what worries you now won't matter in 5 years. Delay gratification. Focus on the process, not just the outcome. Too easy, boring, too hard, you'll quit. Remember the 80-20 rule. 80% of results come from 20% of effort. Make every second count. Be patient. Good things take time. Invest in experiences, not crap. But buy shoes and clothes that fit well. Expensive doesn't always mean better. Personal hygiene. Smell good. Cut your hair before important events. Take care of your face and beard. Learn about compound interest and apply it everywhere. Keep a 6-month emergency fund. Pay off high-interest debt first. Save and invest 10% of what you earn. Get-rich-quick schemes? Forget it. Crypto alone? No. Diversify. Cut commute time. When traveling, spend a little more to save time. Debate only with people willing to listen. The rest is wasted energy. Meditate. Keep your room tidy. A cluttered mind comes from a cluttered space. Emotions change, so don't cling to opinions. Learn to communicate and increase your value in the market and in life. Be grateful. Help those in need. Fall in love at least once. Plan your relationships, not just your wedding. Ego? Put it aside. Family and friends are your true legacy. Stop giving unsolicited advice. First, financial security, then philosophy. Peace, always being right. Laugh at yourself. Stop comparing yourself on Instagram. Read more, live in the present, avoid gambling all your money on one bet. Diversify your income. Stay humble. Time is your most precious resource. Stop trying to impress others. No one cares. Kindness matters more than approval. Want happiness? Do what you enjoy. Happiness comes as a bonus. And remember, you'll fail. You'll fail a lot, even trying to follow these rules. And that's okay.